Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting frequently on iPhone problem. So the very first fix is check Wi-Fi settings. For this, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on the information icon next to your connected network. From here, ensure auto join is turned on. Auto join is turned on and make sure low data mode is turned off. If this option is turned on, simply turn it off. Now the second option is to disable Wi-Fi assist. For this, go to settings homepage and tap on mobile service. Scroll down and you will find an option Wi-Fi assist. Simply turn it off. Here, the option is here, turn it off. The third option is to reset network setting. For this, go to settings homepage again, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode, enter your screen time passcode, tap on reset network setting and this will reset your network settings. The fourth option is to update your iPhone software. So for this, go to settings and tap on general, tap on software update, and if there are any update available, simply download and install the update and restart your iPhone to fix the problem. So that's it. See you in next tutorial.